Tiny house, should I buy it? As traditional home prices increase, more people are turning to tiny homes as an affordable and sustainable option. While prices vary depending on quality, size, and other factors, a typical tiny home costs about $45,000 according to HomeAdvisor. Compared to the average price of a home in the US, which is close to $298,000, a tiny home is a cost-saving opportunity. However, living in a tiny home requires adjusting to a different lifestyle, as most are around 400 square feet or less. The cost of a tiny home depends on whether you buy a prefabricated kit or hire a professional for a custom design, with custom designs being more expensive and allowing for more added extras. In addition to the visible expenses such as purchasing land and construction materials, there may be some hidden costs associated with your tiny home that requires careful consideration and planning. Taxes and building permits, land, square footage, amenities, and foundation are just a few of the issues that could be faced. Need help figuring it out? Call us at 800-605-3128 and let Mortgage Dove be the wings that help you fly home.